You've probably heard this before. Just say this affirmation and you're gonna manifest anything that you want. Drum roll please, it's about to show up in your life fast. But there's 3 of the biggest blocks to making positive affirmations work for you that no one tells you and that our world hasn't taught us. And when you do this, that's when the magic will start to happen. So here's 3 things that your world has taught you to do that are very wrong, and they're dangerous if you're trying to create the life that you want, if you're trying to use specifically affirmations in your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Let's dive right into this video. Number 1, you put them into a non-existent future of hope, of wish, of if, and then. Man, I really hope, I really wish, it'd be great if it happens when. Notice how all of those things are not implying a knowingness. You either know how to swim or you don't. It doesn't help you to go into surfing out on the ocean and saying, I hope I could stand up even though the waves are 10 feet tall and they're very dangerous. You have to know whether or not you can do it. Well, the same is so for how your physiology, your nervous system, your psychology, and your subconscious mind respond to the words that you use. An affirmation is a suggested phrase that's using auto-suggestion to send a new message to your subconscious mind. And if you hope that money comes from that affirmation, I really hope that the money's on the way. It'd be great when the money comes. They seem harmless, but when you understand that energy is never created or destroyed in all the realities that you could ever want, you being broke, you being wealthy, you having love, you failing in relationship time after time, anything you want, the presence of it in your life or the absence of it in your life, all those realities exist. Some people call that the multiverse. I just call it energy, because if energy is never created or destroyed and this reality is purely energy, I'm purely energy, you're purely energy, your thoughts are energy, money is energy, a client you want is energy, a car you want, a house you want, a relationship you want, it's all just energy, different manifestations or frequencies or appearances of that one energy of which everything is a part of. And so therefore, Albert Einstein said it best, time doesn't really exist in the linear fashion we think it does. It's just the way that the brain has to process reality. Past, future, present, it doesn't really exist. All there is this second right now, and all the energy that you cannot currently experience is still happening. It's just outside of what your conscious mind is picking up. And when you take the energy from your thoughts and your consciousness and you mold that creative energy into hoping and wishing and ifing and thenning and whenning, you're pushing your desire out into a future that may not ever occur. Energy behind that is maybe or hopefully or if or when this money comes in the future, this client comes in the future, my love comes in the future. It'd be great. But the thing is, what you're really saying to your subconscious mind and to the universe and the intelligence that permeates every atom and subatomic particle of our physical universe, what you're really saying is, you do not exist now. And if you don't believe it exists now, you can't experience it now, because now is the only time you can ever experience energy. You say mountains move and they shall, but you can only do it right now, not tomorrow, not next week, not hopefully in 4 months. So you say, I'm so grateful that large sums of money are flowing into my life now. Comment that down below. I'm so grateful large sums of money are flowing into my life now. You say, I'm pure love, I'm attracting divine, healthy relationships and amazing romance that uplifts my heart and soul. You say that. You say, the universe is pure love, I attract amazing romantic relationships into my life. You say, every cell in my body vibrates in harmony with God's wealth and success. Therefore, I attract good luck in all my undertakings today. Every cell in my body is restored with perfect health, harmony, and happiness. I am confident. I am excited. I am happy. This is how you speak. You take consciousness and you mold it here into your present experience. And the things that you say that have an emotional response, they fire nerve cells and they send electrical impulses through your nervous system that create your your emotions and how you feel. So your thoughts literally create how you feel, they create your vibration, and that vibration that you ultimately become is what dictates the energy you pull back into your experience. That's why Wayne Dyer said you do not get what you want, you get what you are, because your current vibration controls what energy you pull back into your experience. The law of attraction says, like energy attracts like energy. Comment that down below. Like energy attracts like energy. Comment that down below. Like energy attracts like energy. So you can use an affirmation, but you could say, I'm really rich. I hope money comes. Pretty soon my love will show up. I'm happy. Can't you tell? Yeah. Lots of good stuff happening today. Imagine if you clicked onto my video and that's how I spoke. Hey, life's cool. Do you guys like life? I hope life works out. Do you agree with me? Comment down below. If life is good sometime in the future, that'd be cool. Would you guys like that? There's no emotion, and if anything, the energy behind that is absence of the things that I'm saying. I'm speaking in terms of words, saying, I hope, I wish, all these great things, money, success, happiness, love, fulfillment. But I don't even believe what I'm saying if you just pick up my energy and you can't even understand my words and all you could do is feel my emotion. So it's eliminating hope, eliminating wish, eliminating if, and eliminating then, and speaking what you want as if it already exists to evoke the feeling, the emotion behind it. So whatever it is that you want right now, turn it into a singular phrase and start speaking it into existence today. That's why I created my success hypnosis. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. I created to just start retraining my subconscious mind to eliminate all my thought patterns of implying a future, implying scarcity, lack, limitation, that my dreams don't already exist. And I retrained my whole subconscious mind, and that was when my life changed, and over 300,000 people from all over the world have used it. I never would have imagined that that would happen, you know, and you can't imagine what life really has in store for you either. So it's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. It's free to use, and you can use that as well. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. Comment down below, I speak my dreams into existence. Comment that down below, I speak my dreams into existence. Let's move on to the next, but the third is the absolute best one. So make sure you stay with me until then. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, part 2 of the biggest blocks stopping affirmations from working is you get attached to the words instead of the emotions, right? That's what we were just talking about. You can say, in your head, you can go, oh, life's getting exciting. No, I'm tired. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and money's coming. And then I'll find good friends. It'd be cool. That'd be cool. It doesn't matter about the words that you're saying. The word's job is to change your emotions, your energy, and get your consciousness singularly fixated on what it is that you want. Because everything is two things. What you want or the absence of what you want. I really want money, but man, it's not showing up. That means you're focused on the absence of it. You want it, but you're focused on the absence of it. And what your focus determines, what's the old saying? Where your focus goes, your energy flows. What's your energy? Your energy is who you are. You don't get what you want, you get what you are. So you say, I really want my soulmate, but man, there's no good guys left. I can't find the right women. Blah, 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 blah. You want one thing, but your energy is on the absence of it. Therefore, you don't get what you want, you get what you are. You get your own energy. So start using the affirmations in the present tense, beginning with I am. Fill in what it is that you want and use it to evoke the emotion. Drive without music. And while you drive, practice 5 minutes speaking your dreams into existence out loud. Do it in front of the mirror. Lock the door in your room and turn the music on loud so your roommates or your family or your friends or whomever it is cannot hear you. And start changing your emotions with the words that you're saying. Speak your feelings into existence because your feelings are your energy. When you change your energy, you change your life. Comment that down below. Change your energy, change your life. Comment that down below. Change your energy, change your life. Comment that down below. Change your energy, change your life. Number 3, you think you're separate from what you want. When you use affirmations, if you think you're separate from this thing and this affirmation is like a sneaky way to say a word that will hopefully cajole the universe into giving you this thing that you want that you're separate from, you cannot get it because you cannot manifest anything other than what you are. And what are you? You're an individualization of God energy, and this God energy is in everything. This divine intelligence, this consciousness, this spirit energy, it's in everything. Alan Watts says you cannot get wet by the word water. So it doesn't matter what the word is, it matters what it is. And this thing, this body, that wall that you're standing next to or sitting next to, this chair, see that chair, you see that candle, you see that flower, you see that wall, you see that plant, you see that picture of my grandfather right there? What is all of that? It's energy. In fact, 95 to 99% of it is empty space. So what is this empty space that makes up every wall, every chair, every car, every $100 bill, every body, every house? It's 95 to 99% empty space. What is it? It's divine intelligence, it's spirit energy. It's light that makes manifest in the physical realm due to thoughts and images that we hold. They eventually manifest themselves in this physical realm. So technically, this energy is in everything, just manifesting itself in different forms. Sound wave is one thing, but then there's a bunch of different vibrations or frequencies of sound wave. You can blow a dog whistle, that's one sound wave. Humans can't hear the sound wave of dog whistles, but humans can hear all the FM and AM frequencies, right? You turn the radio station. That's all sound wave, but it's different frequencies of that energy. Similarly, the God energy, the divine intelligence, has a bunch of different frequencies that make up everything in this physical plane, but it's all from one substance. Therefore, the money you want, the car you want, the house you want, the job you want, the relationship you want, anything that you want, you're already one with it in spirit, in essence. Your physical senses can't see that oneness because your physical senses are only able to pick up a very small amount of energy. That energy is called visible light. But according to the energy that your eyes can pick up, it sees things as separate. But if you could really see with a higher level of consciousness, what you see is that there's no stopping point between my lens and my body. It's just all different forms of energy. Therefore, you're one with everything that you want. It's just that you have to speak that energy into existence because you live in a world of free will, and you're meant to learn these creative powers of the universe about speaking what you want into existence and becoming a mini creator. You're like a mini God on this physical playground, learning how to use the word of God, which is your thoughts and your consciousness. In the Bible, it says first was the word of God. You're using the word of God. It's your thoughts. It's your energy because you're one with God. You're one with the universe. You use your thoughts, your consciousness, your imagination, your visualization as a mini playground to manifest things on this physical plane. As you start to learn, just like you slowly learn to walk, you're also learning spiritual lessons too. Like thoughts become things, and that your consciousness can manipulate and create energy. So you're one with everything you want already. It's just about feeling it. And the way that you're going to start to do that is speaking what you want into existence using affirmation. So comment down below, I am one with everything that I desire. Comment that down below, I am one with everything that I desire. Comment that down below, I'm one with everything that I desire. And if you haven't yet, make sure you download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. It's free to use, and what that's gonna do is retrain your subconscious mind to get rid of any old affirmations. People say affirmations don't work. We're always using affirmations. In fact, psychologists say you have 65,000 thoughts in a day. What are those 65,000 thoughts? Well, the majority of them are repetitive. What is a repetitive thought? That's an affirmation. It's just that according to psychology, 70% of the subconscious mind is negative and redundant, meaning that it's pretty much thinking the same thing as yesterday and the same thing as the day before, and most of it's negative because it's been programmed by the world, and now it's time to brainwash yourself before the world keeps brainwashing you. So it's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. It's free to use. My gift to you, my only ask is that you use it, have an amazing success story, come back and share that success story with my team. If you email JD, my initials, Jake Ducey, but just my initials, JD@jakeducey.com, JD@jakeducey.com. If you email us and share your success story, I love to hear it. That's all I ask for you in terms of payment or return of energy. Free to use, jakeshypnosis.com. It's going to start manifesting miracles in your life. jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. So go there right there down below and download that right now and start using it every morning and every night to brainwash yourself for success. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe. I think it's called subscribe. I said subscribe. I was talking fast. Subscribe button. It's right there down below. And the bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you're already subscribed, just double check you've actually hit the bell notification right over there on the side. Bell notification right over there. Subscribe, bell notification. Comment down below. Speak what I want to life. Speak what I want to life. Comment that down below. Speak what I want to life. So for the next 24 hours, my challenge, my invitation to you is to practice speaking as if you already have what you want, even if you have a roommate, a friend, a family member. My favorite game to play with my wife when we were trying to change our physical circumstances into something different using the power of our own thoughts and consciousness was we would go on walks, we'd walk around town, we'd go on a dinner date, and we would spend the whole time pretending we already had the life that we want. We'd talk about it, remember when, and we would talk remember when as if we were in the future, talking about past memories of our life changing. My videos going viral on YouTube, starting to reach millions of people. All these things that hadn't happened yet. Us living in Hawaii on a beautiful property. None of these things had happened yet, and they didn't seem physically possible because my wife, she was my girlfriend at the time, was in debt. Things weren't working out for us. But we started speaking what we wanted into existence, using these three, getting rid of these three blocks that I talked about in this video, and our lives changed. So right there down below, comment down, speak what I want to life. Speak what I want into life right there down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you did not yet, go right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. Watch this video again back through. If it speaks to you, make sure you can build upon these main principles and apply them into your life. This video hopefully was inspiring, exciting, or whatever, but now is the time to apply it into your life. So find your favorite big idea out of this and start using it today in your life. Amazing things will start unfolding. I've got my intentions set for great things headed your way. Take a deep breath in, receive all that positive energy. I'll talk to you on next video. Today's gonna be a great day.